welcome to my channel. My name is Chiamaka and I am glad to have you guys here. If this is your first time of dropping by the channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button just before you leave. Turn on your post notification bell so you get to be notified anytime I upload a new video, and also do not forget to share this video to your friends so they can learn a thing or two from the video. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about side hustle ideas, or will I say business ideas for stay-at-home moms. So if you're a stay-at-home mom and you are looking for extra income, you're looking for extra cash, you're looking for any business or any side hustle that is going to generate extra income for you, then I will advise you watch this video to the very end. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So the first one is sell an ebook. Now if you have exceptional knowledge about something a lot of people do not know about, let's say you have knowledge about tech, you have knowledge about baking, you have knowledge about DIYs, you have knowledge about social media management, you have knowledge about how to handle children from the age of 1 to 5 or from the age of 1 to 10, then I will advise you convert that knowledge to an ebook, and then you can sell to your audience. Now it doesn't necessarily matter if you have like a large following on Instagram or on Facebook. You can like run a sponsored ad on Instagram and Facebook and promote your ebook, and believe me, you are going to get buyers for your ebook. So the second one is teach or tutor kids online. See, you can teach kids anything, and it doesn't necessarily have to be like schoolwork. You can teach them how to bake, you can teach them how to cook, you can teach them DIYs, you can teach them how to make handmade products, you can even teach them coding, so far you have knowledge about that thing you want to teach them. Okay, so you can decide to like fix a day. It can be during the weekdays, it can be during the weekend. So far you have knowledge about that thing, you can teach kids, and believe me, if you are very good at that, a lot of parents are going to sign up for your classes. So the next one is teach your special recipes online for a fee. So if you have that special jollof rice recipe, or you have that special ofada sauce recipe, that is ayamase sauce, or you have that special oha soup recipe, or you have that special groundnut soup recipe, or you have this special way of baking cake, then I'll advise you to teach that recipe online for a fee. In this time and age where people are trying to like up their culinary skills, people are trying to like discover new dishes, a lot of people are going to buy this special recipe from you. So do not try to like hide your special recipe. Oh, I don't want people to know my special recipe, I don't want people to copy my special recipe. Let me tell you, you can make money from selling that special recipe for a fee. Believe me, if you know how to make fried rice very well and you go online and tell them, oh, I know how to make fried rice very well, I have the special recipe for fried rice, it is not like the other recipes you have seen online, people are going to rush your recipe and you are going to make money off that special recipe. So the next one will be to sell handmade products. If you know how to make liquid soaps, bar soaps, scented candles, lip balms, leather belts, leather shoes or leather slippers, leather bags, then I will advise you to make these things in the comfort of your home and then go online and sell them. These days a lot of people even prefer homemade products, that is handmade products, to factory made products. So if you know how to make these things very well, then I'll advise you to make them in the comfort of your home and then go online and sell them. So far you have like good marketing skills, you are going to see buyers ASAP. Next one is gift basket business. In a country like Nigeria where we celebrate everything and anything, gift basket business is always going to thrive, because we celebrate things from birthday to anniversaries to pendant ceremonies to matriculations to convocations. We are always celebrating. Put gifts together in a basket and post online, and then people that have friends or family members or loved ones that are celebrating anything are going to buy from you. So this is another side hustle idea a lot of women are sleeping on. So if you are looking to like make extra income while sitting down at home, while staying at home, either you are nursing a child or something, then I'll advise you to look into this gift basket business. So the next side hustle idea is to start a YouTube channel. I know you might have heard of this 1001 times. Everybody's saying start a YouTube channel, but yes, start a YouTube channel. You can even be a stay-at-home mom vlogger. Like you can create content around your home, create content around your children. If you're a stay-at-home mom and you're looking for a side hustle idea that doesn't necessarily require you to like go out or get things or like stress yourself too much, then I'll advise you to start a YouTube channel. Just get a few equipment and then boom, you are good to go. Okay, so start that YouTube channel, sis. So if you have knowledge about healthy food, or you are very good at combining healthy food together to get like a healthy food plan, then I would advise you to sell this healthy food plan to those struggling with their weight and get paid for it. So we've come to the end of today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you do enjoy it, please do not forget to give me a very big thumbs up, turn on your post notification bell so you get to be notified anytime I upload a new video, and I will see you guys in my next one.